Hey everybody, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we're going to take a look at a merchandise case that we just finished up. So this is for a touring show, and this sells the show's merchandise after the show. So the idea with this case is basically you load it up with t-shirts and all that other kind of stuff, and it goes from show to show, and this is as people are going into the show and out of the show. So the whole goal of this particular project is to be very easy to deploy. The people that handle the show's merch can just very quickly load it at the end of a show, and it'll be ready for the next show. So looking at it, the most prominent feature here is a 50-inch Sony monitor that's mounted on gas springs. This is designed so that one person can easily lower and raise the monitor. The power and two HDMI jacks are actually located on the side of the case here in a custom panel. So what you're looking at, the orange extension cord right there, is power for the entire case. And then the two HDMI jacks on top of that feed the monitor. So for whatever is driving the content on the monitor, this can all happen sort of behind the case. The power box next to that is actually the lighting power supply. So there is a power supply board mounted to the side of the box on the inside. The lights can be operated simply with an on and off switch. And if you notice right above the on and off switch, there's a little infrared eye. And then that all terminates here at the bottom of the case. So all of the lighting is actually terminated with a 4-pin XLR connection. That allows the user to bypass, should there ever be a problem, you can bypass the box with another module. So, you know, the way that I like to design things is there always needs to be a backup plan so that should something fail, there's always a fail-safe. So all the lights are custom wired with white cable. So the white cable that you see there is all the power RGB signal for the lighting. So also on the back here, you can see the back of the power box, and then we also added a courtesy duplex outlet back there so that if you need to charge something out of sight, you can. So the lights can be changed to whatever color you want. We kind of have them in a Vegas mode at the moment just to show the different colors for the sake of this video, but I would assume that you want them probably just a solid color. So looking at the side doors here, this is all just commercial grade slat wall. These have aluminum extrusions on the inside here so that it's more of a heavy duty thing, so you can move hooks in and out for every show versus more of a static thing without that extrusion. So this is in both of the lids. Now I'm sure the question that you're all asking yourselves is, if I fold the monitor down during the show or during transport with all kinds of stuff on the back shelf, what prevents it from things on the shelf hitting the monitor screen? Well, that is an excellent question. So on the side of the case here, there are Crosslink foam, which is a Class A non-abrasive surface foam that actually matches the contour of the monitor when it's in its down position. So if you look at the foam blocks there, they're kind of running downhill towards the right hand of your screen. That matches the monitor contour when it's down. And then the other thing is, which I'm going to try to do one-handed here, is there is a carpet flap that comes down that is velcroed to the bottom here, and that holds the monitor, that holds everything in its shelf and then against the monitor screen to prevent any damage to the monitor screen. Now to pull the screen down, we have these little loops right here that allow you to grab the monitor screen and pull it down. So I'm going to try to do that with holding the camera in one hand just to show you how easy it is. And voila. So the monitor is isolated with these rubber mounts. This is on either side just to give the monitor a bit of bounce when it's rolling around in the back of a truck. So that's our merch case. Deceivingly simple, yet quite big. So if you have any questions about this, you can email me direct, billy@lmcases.com. Check us out at lmcases.com, or check us out on Instagram, _cases. Thanks for stopping by.